guys, welcome back. In today's video, I thought I would do a little bit of an unboxing with you. I've received a few PR parcels this week, so I thought, why not just share the love and unwrap them together. So, without further ado, let's get started. So the first parcel I got is from Love Beauty and Planet, and it came in this really cute little calico bag, which I should probably keep in my car for Woolworths, so I have to don't have to keep buying those 15-cent bags. But anyway, they have sent me some of their goodies, which are completely cruelty-free. The first thing that they've sent is the Love Beauty and Planet Smooth and Serene Shampoo with argan oil and lavender aroma. The packaging is so pretty, and they've actually created so it's got like the lavender images, has like raised little bumps, so it actually gives it texture, which I thought was really cute. Let's ooh. Oh, that smells really, really good. Oh, it's actually vegan as well. The bottle is made from 100% recycled materials. It's got a 96% biodegradable formula, natural argan oil, ethically sourced lavender, organic coconut oil. Can I even talk today? Plant-based ingredients, not tested on animals, paraben-free, no silicone, no dyes, no guilt. This is my kind of collection. The next thing they sent me was the Luscious Hydration Body Lotion, and this is with coconut water and mimosa flower aroma. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This smells incredible. Oh wow. I'm so glad it comes in the pump formula, pump action as well. So then I can just keep it, in the bathroom next to the shower, and when I come out, I can just lather my whole body in it. Oh my god. I love that it's not too coconutty. You can really smell the mimosa flower, which is so, so pretty. And the last thing that I got sent was the Petal Soft Body Wash with coconut water and mimosa flower aroma. Okay, so the same. This is also vegan. Let's see. Yeah, it smells the same as the lotion. Oh, it's so good. I love a good smelling body wash. I just hate those ones that, you don't have any scent. The scent doesn't really even linger after you've had a shower, so I'm hoping this one does. So I will test these out and let you know how I go, but just first impressions based on the smell alone, and obviously all the properties of the formula and the fact it's cruelty-free and vegan is a tip from me. The next lot of goodies I received is from The Body Shop, and it's their new Tshe range. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love their skincare. The last thing I used was the banana shower gel. Oh my god, it just smelled like a banana paddle pop. I was so sad when it ended because I was like, no, this smells so good. So this one here, ooh, this is their Exfoliating Sugar Body Scrub. Oh my gosh, it smells incredible. Ooh, it feels like, okay, it's got a nice, the sugar scrub itself, it's not too rough, it's a nice, not super fine, but just a nice grain. And you can feel the oils in there as well, so it's going to be super nourishing. I'm excited to try that. Then they also sent the Nourishing Whipped Lotion. Let's smell it. And again, I just love that it's in the pump action. Oh, it smells so good. And I love it's not, that feeling when you use a body moisturizer and you can literally feel it all over your skin? It doesn't feel like that. It feels just really nice. It absorbs quickly, it dries fast, and it smells amazing. The next thing they sent me was the Tshe Shower Cream. I absolutely love their shower creams, like I said, so I cannot wait to try that one out too. And then the last thing they sent, which was quite cute, is the Shea Butter from Ghana. What cute packaging. Community trade Shea Butter from Ghana, 100% vegan and natural. obviously against animal testing, moisturizing multi-purpose butter for body, hair, face, and lips. This is so cute. How to use. Apply shea butter on its own directly onto skin, hair, face, or lips. Or there's some DIY recipe tips, which you can go online and find out. That is so cool. I love that. Okay, I'm definitely going to be using this very soon, so I will let you know how it goes. The next thing I was kindly gifted are some essential oils from Oil Garden. Now, this is an Australian company and their range is incredible. You can buy them from their own website or from Chemist Warehouse, and I have a little collection back here, and I like to pop a couple of drops of my favorite blends into my diffuser and have it either on in this room or I have another one next to my bed at night. So the ones that they've sent through are Headache Ease. Oh, that sounds great. With lemon, peppermint, and lavender. That one is also suitable for medicinal use. That'll be interesting. I don't necessarily tend to have essential oils in that way. Not to say that you can't, but I prefer to either apply them topically if I can, or have them in my diffuser. The other one that I got is Sleep Assist, which I absolutely love. I already have this one and I have it in my bed, like my bedside diffuser almost every other night. This one has sweet orange, lavender, marjoram, and German chamomile. Oh my gosh, it's so nice and it's just so soothing. Like, I just love having it on and it just literally just makes me fall asleep. It's so, so beautiful. And then the last one I have is called Stress Relief, which I feel like we can all do with a little of that sometimes. And that has sweet orange, mandarin, lavender, bergamot, and cedarwood. So nice. I'm gonna open this one because I've never smelled it. Ooh. Ooh, I love how citrusy it is. Obviously, like, these are like pure essential oils, so they're gonna be quite strong. But if I ever wanted to apply them topically, I mix them with a carrier oil, such as jojoba oil or coconut oil. But like I said, most of the time I like to use them in my diffuser, so I can't wait to put those ones to the test. The next thing I received, which I'm super excited to try, is called Long Lashes. And it is a vegan eyelash enhancer. Now, I used to use an eyelash serum years ago, but to be honest, I didn't really find that it worked for me. So I'm really excited to try this. Let's open it up and just see what it looks like. Ooh, such cute pink packaging. And it's cruelty-free and vegan. So it says that it repairs and strengthens your lashes, leaving you with longer and fuller looking lashes in just 4 to 8 weeks. Awesome. Oh, nice. Okay, so it's just like a little small brush applicator, which I'm assuming you kind of run along your lash line, but I haven't read into it yet. So leave this one with me. I'm definitely putting this one to the test as of today, and I can report back in 4 to 8 weeks and let you know the results. Now, the last parcel I received has some skincare goodies from Sephora. These are some of their brand new products which are just being released in store, so I'm super excited to try them out. The first thing is the new Youth to the People Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. I'm really bad at pronouncing names, you guys know this by now. But this is the brand new cream to be released in their collection. And I applied a bit of this the other night before bed, and while I do want to put it to a full wear test over time, I can say the first impressions were really good. My skin felt so soft straight away. I applied it before bed and the next day it felt so good. But again, I'm going to use this over time and just see how it performs and its results. They also sent me a top-up of some of my other favorites, including the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Cleanser. This is my go-to. I absolutely love this cleanser. It's super convenient as well because it comes with the pump action bottle, and it's just so easy to have on the bench and just within reach whenever I am cleansing and doing my skincare routine. And it works incredibly. I'm going to feature that soon in my upcoming skincare routine video, so stay tuned for that. They also sent me their spirulina and microalgae kale spinach mask. Again, I have tried this and absolutely love it. And they also sent me the kale and spinach green tea hyaluronic acid superfood moisture cream. Now I have tried this one as well. In fact, I'm about 3/4 of the way through the tub, so this couldn't have come at a better time. But I'm really excited. I generally use 2 or 3 of their products amongst other things in my skincare routine, but I'm really excited to try the new cream and throw that into the mix to see how my skin performs and looks afterwards. Now the next thing that they sent me was a couple of goodies from Indie Lee. Now this is a brand new brand to Sephora and to me. I've never tried this brand before. And this one is their lotion. Hydrate and rebalance your skin's pH level with this hyaluronic acid and aloe vera based essence. So of course this is cruelty free. Oh, it's the toner. Oh, I love a good toner. How beautiful is this packaging? I'm just going to do a little spritz and see what it smells like. Ooh, that's really refreshing. It's just like a really nice fresh scent, not overpowering, just really nice. And they also sent me, what have I got in here? The Indie Lee Daily Skin Nutrition to nourish and brighten. I love the packaging, it's so nice, kind of like the frosted feel bottle. So beautiful. I will definitely have to use those two together and see how they perform. And the last thing that I got is from Edible Beauty, and it's their Exotic Cedar Youth Anti-Aging Oil. Now again, this packaging is so luxe with the gold. And I love a good facial oil. In fact, I used to be so scared of using facial oils, thinking, oh, my face is just gonna get so oily. No, they are a game changer. I like to apply mine pretty much. I'll cleanse, tone. I'll use the face oil before I put on some moisturizer. And I don't use a lot, just a little bit, and press it into my skin and just let it absorb, and then I'll apply a bit of cream on top. And it has changed my skin's life. It has totally made all the difference. But I love this bottle, it looks so luxe. So I'll have to use that in my next skincare routine round. And that is everything that I got. So I want to thank all the brands so much for sending these to me. I am super excited to try them all out. And of course, I will share my feedback, first impressions and reviews with you either on my channel or over on my blog and Instagram. So be sure to go follow me over there to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about any of the products I've shown you today, definitely let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this unboxing video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know. I would love to film more videos like this if it is what you want to see. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. All right, bye.